What do you say, this is Mr. 4, this is Unboxing Zine. Today we'll be reviewing the S16 series from ITEL. The S16 comes in a very fashionable design, 6.6 HD full screen with a whole-in display. When it comes to the camera got a whole-in display, 8 megapixel front and 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel dual array back camera. So it has an AI selfie for everyone, which is the 2.0. One thing I have noticed about the camera right now, it is what we call the AI bokeh. You can blow out your background to focus on a certain thing or activity to make your picture more HD. Then you have the AI Portrait Hdr, which can catch its light and shadow in a soft and natural way with an AI Portrait Hdr. We have the smile selfie. You don't have to use any button or anything, you just have to smile and it will take a picture of you. And it also estimates your age depending on how your selfie is looking like. One thing I have noticed also, it has 9 selfie features. 9 selfie filters actually, the 21 AR stickers. You can use artificial representation of stickers here of 9 filters. Then you have the fast shoot video shooting for those TikTok lovers, Instagram and Facebook. You can shoot 20 seconds to 30 seconds video. You can initiate on social media and other platforms. The S16 Pro comes with a 4G network band with a 32 gig memory, which can be expanded to 128 gig memory with a 2 gig RAM, right, with a 4000 milliamps battery. So we're gonna talk about the 4000 milliamps battery. You should understand when you talk about the battery, when you're using this phone for heavy band network like the 4G and the 3G, it lasts for 25 hours. And then when you're using less than like a 2G and 1G, it lasts for 35 hours. And also for music lovers, this is 35 hours of non-stop music. Is for videos, who want to watch videos, 7 hours non-stop. But for heavy gamers, some people they like to play games like Call of Duty, Park and all that. You don't have to last the whole day with this phone. Actually, you'll be abusing this phone because of the RAM as well as the processor and the battery. So basically what I'm saying, 4000 is a good battery for average users. All I can say that I didn't like about this phone is the casing. It's kind of like plastic. I prefer metallic phones than the plastic phones, but the advantage of having a plastic phone is that it doesn't have sticky fingers. You don't have sticky fingerprints on it. And also it comes with a very 32 gig memory. That's a lot. If you want to expand it in a 2 gig RAM, that's actually average. And the resolution, 1.6 by 720. Actually for ITEL, I think this is one of their best so far, comparing to other models that the S15, the S31, all that. I like the resolution of this one. It's up to standard. I like the resolution. And also the battery, the 4000. ITEL never disappoint when it comes to battery life and power management. It's been a blast reviewing this phone. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Unboxing Zine. I'm your guy, Mr. 4.